Morning Year 6, welcome to this week's maths. We are going to start as always with a Monday with 2 lots of Fluent in 5. So pause the video and have a go. Right, so hopefully you've paused the video and had a go at it, so let's do it together. First of all, we've got to simplify 9 12s. Hopefully you notice they're both in the 3 times table. If you divide both by 3, you get 4 and 3 quarters. Second one, simplify 48 over 72.
12.
They are both in the 12 times table. So you divide both by 12, which should give you 4 6, which you
Could simplify again.
That's 2/3. Can we do this again?
You're doing brilliantly, Miss Emery.
Oh,
Keep going.
Killing me, Mrs. Gowan. Right. Next one, number 3, which is largest. Now you'll notice at the moment you can't compare these because they don't have the same denominator. So you need to find a common denominator. The common denominator for these that's probably going to be the easiest is going to have to be 40, because whilst I'd like it to be 20 because it would fit with those, I can't halve 3. So you keep that as 3 over 40, times that by 20, times that by 2, 4, crikey, and times this one by 8. Send, help,
32
thank you,
over 40.
thank you. Right, now, which one is largest? You bright guys can probably do it. I can't because apparently my brain's not working today, but there we go.
Yay!
We need the children, we can't cope without them. Number 4, what is 2 and 3/8 as an improper fraction? So I know that 1 whole is the same as 8/8, so I know that 2 wholes is the same as 16/8. I then have 2 wholes and 3/8, so I need to add a further 3/8 to my 16, which gives me 19/8. Lastly, find 2/3 of 900. I will officially lose the plot if anybody from my maths group can't remember how to do this. So we divide the amount by the denominator. You can do it with method if you need to. Hopefully you didn't, but you can. And then you times it by the numerator. 300 times 2 is 600. Well done. My pen's running out, my brain is running out. Right, next Fluent 5. So, have a go, pause the video, and see me muddle my way through the answers in a moment. So, hopefully you pause the video and have a go. Let's see if we can do this one. Simplify 18 over 63. They are both in the 3 times table, and they're both in the 9 times table. If I simplify it in the 3, I might have to do it again, so I'm going to go with 9. 2 lots of 9 is 18, and 7 lots of 9 is 7. Miss Legs arrived, she's going to come and save me. Which is the smallest? We've got 3 over 45, 6 over 30, 16 over 60, currently regretting writing these numbers, and 3/5. Let's find a common denominator. I blame Miss Gowan, she makes these ones. And go to 90 as my common denominator.
Yes!
No, I think you went 15, didn't you?
15! We knew we needed Miss Leg. We knew we needed Miss Leg.
90 would also have worked.
It would, but it would be
15 might be
excessive.
easier.
15 would be a lot easier. So we divided by 3, so that is 1. We divided by 2, so that is 3. We divide by 4, so that is 4. And you have to times by 3, so that is 5. No, it's not. It's 9. So the smallest is that one.
You all need to give Miss Miss Emery a round of applause at home. Thank you, Miss Leg.
What to do? Don't do it yet. Now we need 24 2/3 as an improper fraction, so that oh my goodness, that's going to be loads. Right, let's do 24 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 is 7. So we've got 72 if it was just 24 as a whole, but then we've got 2 more, so we have 74 thirds. That seems like an excessive amount of thirds for a maths problem. Let's do the final one. Now we want 2 12s. Even my pen's giving up. Of 1,440. Divide the amount by the denominator. We can do this. No, we can't. Can I throw it in the bin? Yes, I can.
Well done.
If we divide it by 10 first and use our 12 times table,
Yes.
and then times it by 10.
Or we can do that.
How many 12s in 144? Times it by 10. Now 120 times 2.
That was a quick win. My group, you might want to do your bus stop and then times it by 2.